Okay, we do apologize for that. Now, Paul Koinange, chair of the Committee on Administration and National Security, and other members of the committee addressed a press conference on the planned rollout of the second phase of Huduma number registration. Let's listen in.
We also our own members of parliament. They are never there when we are discussing some of these issues. Huduma number was well discussed in parliament. We have been passing budgets in parliament. It is unfortunate to hear people saying that we allocated 7 billion this year for Huduma number when we know very clearly that it is 1 billion allocated to number one, complete the exercise of verification of the batch, first batch, so that the cards can be issued. Number two, to also continue with the registration of those that are yet to be registered. It is therefore unfortunate that you go out there and confuse people. And we shall be very vibrant as members of this committee. We shall ensure that we walk around in the country. And we can tell you, members of the fourth estate, just yesterday we were in Nyanza province. And we were there to check on our security systems to ensure that never again will this country be led into war just because of elections of one person. We are not going to allow it. We will continue moving around the country. We will tell them the truth. And among them, this Huduma number, that we are clearly telling them now, here and then, that this is an exercise that we will see to completion. This is an exercise that will ensure that all our Kenyans are given equal rights in terms of services, so that we don't have imbalances caused by people deliberately, by having smaller databases that lead into poor resource allocation. When you talk about corruption in Huduma, as members of this committee, we shall be very happy if you can come with evidence and tell us where the executive has gone wrong on the implementation of the Huduma number. We have all avenues. You can bring a petition in parliament and have it discussed there. You can come to us. You can go to DCI. You can go to any other system in this country that can stop the Huduma number in the right way. But we cannot allow you to be going there in public, especially during this time of COVID, when many Kenyans are suffering, many Kenyans are having to live without water, without food, and you are busy now moving around talking about elections. We feel that that is very, very unfortunate, and that is why we have come out as members of the Committee on Administration and National Security very strongly, saying that we are watching you people. We are watching. And we are going to name people. We are going to bring things out. And we are not going to allow this country to be led into war again. Not when this administration and National Committee members are fully versed with the conflicts, not just in this country, entire Africa, and in the world indeed. You realize, members of the fourth estate, that this committee is made up of people who are very strongly into security. People who are strongly into administration, and we will do whatever we can to have peace in this country.
Tunamwambia tu mwanaume ni kujikaza. Wacha ajikaze. Kama he is not happy with the government, let him leave. There's no need unalia uko nje, you want to incite people, na uko ndani ya serikali. If he's a man enough, let him resign so that he can go and fight, so that we know who we are fighting. Otherwise, asanteni.
No, this is